What's up, man? This is Wasso, and you're in tune to my very first video. And man, we're just gonna be talking about dreads, my artwork, other people's artwork, other people's dreads, and how to maintain them and stuff like that. Just to give you a little background on me, man, I had dreads for 8 years. February 29th, I believe, will be 9 years. And as you can see, my dreads have gone down to my waist. I'm gonna share with y'all some remedies I done used and how did I start my locks. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the inbox and I'll address them on the next video. I never lost a lock. I did have to double some of them. Like I got one back here. You can see that. Had to double that one. But other than that, you know, kind of just let it do what it do. A lot of people wondering, and a lot of people ask me all the time, like, how do you lock your hair? Or how do you start locking your hair? Because that's usually the worst part about the dreads to start. So the advice I give is if you have good hair, like I did, my hair was real curly and wavy. So if I do a single twist, you know, if I take a shower or if I sweat, it's coming right back out. So, and a lot of times beauticians would not know how to start your locks. So they'll be like, they'll just tell you up front your hair can't lock, you know, which is bullshit. A beautician is not going to tell you they can't do something because it looks bad on them. So one thing you could do is what I did. I took 2 strands of my hair at the time and I just, you know, just double twist them like that, like made a rope. And that's like a stronger grip, especially if you got good hair, you know, and that's how I started mine. I just did most of them like that. Some of them was able to lock single, like you look at this one, it's pretty skinny. And you can tell that lock, single lock, but then I got like a fatter one here that kind of, you know, that's a double strand. So that's why my locks kind of different sizes, because I started my own locks. Yeah, man, so you just rock the double strand twist, man, and you know, that still too might unravel, but it'll hold a lot better and it'll make your hair a little nappier or kinkier. So you just keep getting that done, to after a while the actual dread part won't come loose. So then you just keep getting your, you know, you might get your roots retwisted from time to time. Mine not retwisted right now because I'm trying to give my roots a rest. That's another thing, you know, a lot of people can go bald like that because you keep getting that tension pulled on it, you know. So throughout the years, you know, I just did that, like I was saying, and yeah, after year, you know, you just don't think about it, man. Just rock with what you got, and this is what I have now. 8 years, all the way about to my waistline, or some of them a little past my waistline. I snip them a lot, you know, because I don't want them to get too. I don't like when I'm sitting on them, like they're in my lap right now. I don't like sitting on my dreads, you know, so it kind of pulls on them. So this is what I got, you know. Anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. Like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at ArtByWasso, and yeah, tune in next time, man. Appreciate y'all.
Gummy Beats by